get garlic and just grate it. Right now, if you're in a kitchen, you can do this. I'm gonna give you this recipe and another one. This one, if you want to have a hot tea, you can do this one at home. All right. Ginger, very good. All right. So we're going to. You don't have to remove the skin if you're going to strain it, but if you don't want to strain it, you can remove the skin from it. All right. Grate a little piece of a ginger. Just like that. So this is the ginger, especially if you're doing it fresh and nice. Honestly, you will see some good result in a couple of minutes. You know what I mean? All right. So, Sharon, big up yourself, man. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. All right, Em, this recipe for you, though. So basically, just grate 2 garlic and everything right here. So is roughly about a teaspoon. Put into a cup like this. All right. Put it into a cup like that. And then what you want to do? Pour some hot water on it. All right. Once you pour the hot water on it, you want to cover it like this and leave it for at least 2 to 3 minutes and make it dissolve in itself. How much ginger? This is just roughly a little piece of a ginger, rough about just a little piece of ginger. You just grate it with 2 cloves of garlic and drink this. Drink this one first thing in the morning on an empty stomach, or you can drink it before you go to bed at night. That's number 1 recipe right there from Chef Ricardo. If you have high blood pressure, but if you're not on medication, it's much even better for you. But you must solve the problem. The problem is you need to eat healthy. All right. Try and cut out junk food, soda, rice, pasta. All of these things sometimes can cause it for your high blood pressure, your cholesterol level to go up. All right. So drink up a lot of garlic tea, and this will help you. So this powerful, this one right here. So everything will settle and go to the bottom in a few minutes. You can drink it just as it is. You don't have to strain it. Don't add any sugar, any sweetener, or any honey to it. Drink it natural as it is. All right. This is one recipe. I'm going to give you one more recipe now, which is going to be even more powerful.